Each of us is a piece of a puzzle that makes the completion of God, the completeness of God. And we won't know until the day of days, till the glory of glories, when that day comes. And then we'll see the big picture. And all the puzzles will come together for the glory of glories when that day comes. Because that day is coming. Some of you tonight are like the Magi. You're searching, you're seeking, you're asking questions. Maybe you're still pondering, why am I here? Why am I alive? Why am I sitting in the old stone chapel in St. Charles, Missouri? What does God want me to do? What does my future hold? And that's okay to ask questions. You're drawn to God, and I'll tell you something, God's drawn to you.